viewers, welcome to Myra Media, and thank you all for watching our videos and subscribing and sharing our videos. And today we are in Budget Car. It is Asia's biggest pre-owned cars, used cars in Hyderabad, Madhapur. And I think you have seen all the visuals. You can see all these cars actually here, and you can see the board of Budget Car over here. And actually Budget Cars, Budget Car is such a kind of place where these people are having all kinds of used cars actually. And this is one of the biggest in Madhapur, Hyderabad. And you can even see all kind of classes here. You can see small class, like big cars, everything, premium cars and premium segment. And this is such a kind of a place where you can get all kinds of second cars. Okay guys, and one more thing, like what is happening with second cars is you need to have a very genuine cars here. They do certify, they do sell certified vehicles only, and they are having finance facility also, and they do even RTA works here. And when a customer comes inside, they have one thing that they do two process, that is they take only 2% of commission, and otherwise they gives only non-accidental and genuine cars. So viewers, I think this is the best place for all kinds of second cars, pre-owned cars over here. And even you can sell your car here, even you can park your car over here, and even you can sell it, and even you can buy it. And they are having even exchange facility also. So viewers, why can't you can come and have a great look of pre-owned cars, second cars in Budget Car. And even you have all kinds of cars here, nearly a total collection of 200 to 250 cars over here, and all kinds of cars you can see here. This is Maruti Suzuki, and this is and you can see this is Ritz actually. And the price is and the price model number is 2013, and the price carries from 5,10,000. And this is Ritz maroon color. And when it comes to the other car, you have this gold color Swift actually, and whereas this is a 2006 model, and this price cost around 2,60,000 over here. And I think you have all kinds of vehicles here, and this is the Swift actually, gold color. And you can even have a look at the other Swift also. And this price is 5,90,000 and 81,000 kilometers reading. And this is 2013 made actually, and this is Swift VDI actually. So actually viewers, I can tell you one thing, the only genuine cars, like you have seen all this Swift, this lane totally, you can see all the Swift area here. And you can see even other cars also. And if you want to see some big cars or something kind of thing, we can even go there that side, and we can even watch that. And one more thing I'd like to say, see, you can have this call all kinds of cars over here. This is Swift, and one more thing, this is white color Swift. And you can see other class segments, like you have even big cars over there in the other side of this Budget Car. And if you see the top angle of the view, and you can see all kinds of cars over here. And one more thing is where there you can see the red color guys who is standing. Those are all executives of Budget Car. And when you want to visit here, you can definitely come to Ayyappa Society, Madhapur. And even you can have a visit to Budget Car. So as you know guys, this is the best pre-owned cars, used cars, and this is best in Asia, and in India also it is very big. And this is in Madhapur, Ayyappa Society. And whereas these cars is really genuine and non-accidental cars, so Budget Cars has having that kind of a good name and fame. That's why a lot of people will be coming here. Here, executive is sitting here over here. Hi sir, how are you?
Fine.
You tell me, like you have got all kinds of cars over here.
Yes, we have all kinds of cars.
So what kind of cars you sell here?
We sell from small cars to BMW, premium cars.
Okay, so you have all kinds of cars.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. And what is the range of vehicles you have actually here?
Starting from 1,50,000 to 20 lakh rupees.
Okay, so I think you are having all kinds of ranges of cars.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And see here, here is an executive sitting over here of Budget Car, and you can see here, you can see two guys sitting over here, and he is Mr. Gopal. Hi, Gopal Gar, how are you?
Hi sir, good evening.
Tell me about Budget Car. Like this is one of the biggest cars dealer in Hyderabad, and this is the biggest in genuine cars actually, of second cars. So tell me about Budget Cars.
We have premiums and premium vehicles also.
Okay.
We sell daily nearly every month 90 to 95 vehicles.
Okay. So it's very nice. Targeting wise and customer satisfaction is also high here.
We're giving very good walkings also, and we have very satisfied to customers also.
Oh, very nice. Thank you. And here we have Santosh, who is looking after the budget car, and he is, he is one of the main in budget car. Hi, Santosh. How are you?
Hi, good evening.
Santosh, tell me, like, budget car is doing really good here, actually. So, how many cars you sell in a month, actually?
Almost 100 cars region.
100 cars. Like every month you will be selling it, right?
Every month service.
All kinds of cars? Yes. All kinds of cars.
sir.
Oh, very nice, Santosh. Thank you very much. So, guys, I think this is the best place to come and visit for pre-owned cars, used cars. Yes. So now we have one customer here who buy vehicle in budget car. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
So tell me, like, you buy vehicle in budget car. So how is it actually?
This budget car is very nice cars here.
Okay. So which car you buy, sir?
Yeah, I'm Vinto.
Oh,
2000
very nice.
Model.
Okay. So you got a very good car.
Yeah, nice car.
Oh, very nice. Thank you very much. And if you can see, Singh Saab is there here. Sir, hi, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Sir, tell me, like, which car you have purchased here?
I'm not actually customer.
Okay.
I'm financer actually.
Okay, you are the financer. Okay, you do all the finances here. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. So even you have finance facility also here. Singh Saab is doing finance over here. And viewers, I think this is the best place to buy a car. So viewers, I think you are all seen the cars and everything, and budget car, and this time to take interview with Mr. Rehan, founder and chairman of Budget Car, and here he is. Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I am fine, sir. And sir, you have been a successful business magnate in Hyderabad, in Telangana particularly, in pre-owned cars, used cars, budget car. So, like, actually, how your journey started, sir, from starting?
Yeah, it started like I took a start very small showroom. But now, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, we are doing good business. So it's all because of my customer satisfaction, and we are just trying to give much more benefits to the customers. So
Okay, sir.
like the key to success is we maintain a transparency
Okay.
in deals. Actually, in all of us deal, we deal in very transparent way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, everybody now in the market, everybody speaks about your budget car. Like, there is a huge buzz in town now, in city actually. Particularly what I can say is, in Telangana, a lot of places, everybody, they say that budget car is a very good place. Budget car is a very, very fantastic in giving cars, like even park and sale also. So actually, this name, like getting this kind of name in business is not that much easy. So actually, how you take this one? Like, how all this happened actually in this span of time actually.
Yeah, because as I said now, this is because of our transparency.
Okay.
Like we don't keep any margin.
Okay.
So company charge only 2% commission from the seller and 2% commission from the buyer, whatever will be the sale value.
Okay.
So these are all our like unique selling points.
Okay.
So because of this, we are getting good response from the market, and by day, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, our sales are increasing.
Okay, you are looking very young, and in the very young age you have achieved this much success actually. And I think very recently, as per Public Tech, I am asking that, like, you have opened one more branch in Madhapur actually. So, like, what
at
about that branch?
Kukatpalli,
At Kukatpalli, yeah, sorry, Kukatpalli.
Yeah, that is also a space of 250 to 300 cars.
Okay.
So we are focusing on premium car as well.
Okay.
So that is located at JNTU Road,
Okay.
the High City to JNTU Road.
Okay, this is located, like, one more branch of budget car is located at JNTU Road, and 100% you all visit. And Rehan sir, I will tell you one thing, like, this is like, as public talk I am asking you actually, like, this is one of the biggest pre-owned cars actually. So even you are doing all genuine business by charging 2% commission both sides actually. So even they have park and sale facility also here.
Yeah, we deal with the customer cars actually. So
Okay.
customer to customer deals.
Okay.
So the budget car main concept is to deal with customer to customer.
Okay.
So like customer will feel very comfortable,
Okay.
very they can they trust us actually.
Okay.
Because of our transparency,
Okay.
yeah, they have a reliability on us like that.
Okay. Very nice, sir. And last but not least, what is the difference you have observed when you have started budget car in the starting and now the successful pre-owned used cars in Telangana now?
Yeah, all I can say, it is a blessing from the Allah and my mom's dua.
Okay.
So, and my team hard work and customer support.
Like we can expect some more branches in Hyderabad and some other towns.
Yeah, yes. And
Okay.
online virtual showroom, as of now, we took a start from Hyderabad.
Okay.
But we are having future plan that, inshallah, we will do pan India, like
Okay.
other cities also, like next is Mumbai and then
Okay.
Delhi
Okay.
and many more. Like that.
Very nice, and this is a very good news to all of viewers also. Why? Because you can even book your car at your home. Like what all you can see the cars. Which one is the best car? You can and you can book online so that not you do not to come to physical showroom also. You can book itself at your home. Sir, it's very nice. Like you are like growing day by day, and such as the youngest gentleman is doing all this. Is really inspiration to also. Who is the best inspiration person to you?
Like as I said it's all because of Allah's blessing and
Okay.
my mom's dua.
Oh, very nice. And lot of viewers, like as even in online, everybody knows that budget car is having a very good following of all the viewers in Hyderabad actually. So what you would like to tell all of them actually?
All I can say, it's all because of you people. You people have supported us, and because of your support, we have achieved this place. So we need your support in future also. So please, I request you to be with us and support us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time. So this is successful business magnate, youngest and hardworking, talented and whatnot. See, actually what is happening is all the hard work of him, he made really dreams come true to the India's, not India's, it's Asia's biggest, largest showroom, and it is located in Madhapur. Guys, why don't you come and visit Budget Car in Madhapur, and even second outlet have been opened, and you can go to even that second outlet that is in Kukatpalli, and even you can book the car in online portal also, budgetcarindia.com. So you are having all these kind of facilities only in Budget Car. So guys, don't wait, come and have a great ride in Budget Car, best car. Thank you all, signing off. This is Ishwar, and thank you all for watching my videos in Myra Media, and this is Pradeep Ishwar. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.